On Wednesday, Colorado Republican Party state's decision Supreme Court state was not suitable for presidency. Former President Donald Trump. First step a 155-year-old constitutional provision in country's highest court. Uprising from office. The first effect objection is extend stay 43 decision from highest court Colorado, which is continue its decision until day before primary ballots state. He said he was planning object Supreme Court. The U.S. Supreme Court never decided in third part of 14th change added after Civil War to prevent return of former confederations to government. The Colorado Supreme Court attacked U.S. Capitol, which was valid for Trump after his role on January 6, 2021 and aimed to stop the certificate of President Biden's victory in 2020 presidential elections. The Supreme Court of Colorado, leading Republican candidate from primary and general votes, took out course of American democracy, party's lawyers said on Wednesday. Unless decision Supreme Court of Colorado is overthrown, voters will have authority to disqualify any political candidate in Colorado or leaderships. In addition, Mire courts are in political debates on the accusations of uprising. The U.S. Supreme Court is expected to take case either after appeal of Colorado GOP or after Trump's own appeal. However, in other winning states, he can open door to courts or election officials who hit ballot. Sean Grimsley, lawyer of plaintiffs who wanted to disqualify Trump in Colorado, said he hoped that country's highest court hurried after accepting case in a legal podcast last week. Obviously, we will ask for a highly accelerated time schedule for all the reasons I have mentioned. Super comes primary and we need to know the answer, said. More than a dozen, including Colorado, is scheduled for the state on March 5 Super Tuesday. To date, in accordance with Episode 3, he was not willing to unilaterally remove him from ballot without court order, who had filed dozens of lawsuits to disqualify Trump. However, Colorado case was accepted as case with greatest chance success, because Washington D.C.Seven Justice Supreme Court affairs were appointed by Democrats. However, unprecedented constitutional questions in the case were not properly divided into partisan lines. A few leading conservative legal theoreticians are among most vocal advocates disqualification. Trump in accordance with Chapter 3, they prevent clear-meaning constitutional language from running again as if document has not met minimum 35 years age. All of the half-dozen plaintiffs in the Colorado case are all Republican or non-connected voters. Trump is afraid of the cases and election intervention, he says. In early hours of day, Supreme Court of Michigan cheered on Wednesday while cheering a decision that left him to ballot for primary, at least for primary. Sean Hannity's radio show Colorado people embarrassed our nation with what they do.